Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to hide drawing in TradingView. Okay, hide and show all drawings in TradingView chart. So here you will see right now I have too many drawing here, many bars. Here you will see today low, low, and the single bar, dotted bar. Okay, now to hide all the drawing, you can simple click on this I button and click on the arrow. And then after here you will see a hide drawing feature. You can simple tap on it and here you will see all kind of drawing will be removed from my chart. Okay, once I again tap on it, here you will see the drawing will be available here, and I again tap on it, so the drawing, all kind of drawings from my chart will be removed. Okay, now for mobile users to hide the drawing, you can simply click on the pencil icon you will see in a bottom navigation bar. Once you tap on it, here you will see inside a tool section the hide drawing button, AI button. You will see here. Once I tap on it, here you will see all kind of drawing will be removed from my chart. Once I again go back and click on it, then you will see the drawing will be available here now. Okay, so here is how you can easily do it. Goodbye.